Hi everyone, welcome to WeDraw Studio. Today, we are going to talk about selenium. So now let's get straight to it. Selenium is an element belongs to group 16 of the periodic table, alongside oxygen, sulfur, tellurium and polonium. With an atomic number of 34, a typical selenium atom has 34 protons, 34 electrons, and 45 neutrons. Did you know that selenium was discovered completely by accident in 1817 by the Swedish chemist Jöns Jacob Berzelius, one of the pioneers of modern chemistry? He came across it while investigating problems in a sulfuric acid factory. At first, workers thought the contamination was tellurium, but Berzelius soon realized it was a brand new element. Selenium was named after the moon, Selene in Greek, while tellurium was named after Earth, Tellus in Latin. Together, they make a little Earth and Moon pair on the periodic table. Selenium is relatively rare in Earth's crust, with an average abundance of about 0.05 parts per million, making it less common than elements like lead but more abundant than silver. In nature, selenium does not occur as a free element but is usually found in metal sulfide ores, such as those of copper, nickel, or lead. It can also be present in soils, rocks, volcanic emissions, and in tiny traces within seawater. At room temperature, selenium is a solid, brittle nonmetal. It exists in several forms, including gray crystalline form, amorphous red powder, and black vitreous solid. Gray selenium, the most stable form, is crystalline with a metallic luster. Red selenium is often obtained by precipitating it from solutions, while the black form is typically produced by rapidly cooling molten selenium. Selenium is a semiconductor, and its conductivity increases dramatically when exposed to light, a property known as photoconductivity. This unique characteristic made selenium vital in early photocells and photocopiers, although it has since been largely replaced by modern materials. Selenium has a melting point of about 221 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of about 685 degrees Celsius. One of its compounds, hydrogen selenide, is notorious for its horrible smell, worse than rotten eggs. And it is extremely toxic. Biologically, selenium is an essential micronutrient for animals and humans. Incorporated into enzymes like glutathione peroxidase, it helps protect cells from oxidative damage. However, excess selenium is toxic. Did you know that eating too much selenium can make your breath smell like garlic? This is because the body releases a compound called dimethylselenide, which has a garlic-like odor. Historically, ranchers noticed horses and cattle sometimes suffered from brittle hooves and hair loss. This was later linked to plants containing too much selenium from selenium-rich soils. In the early 20th century, selenium sulfide was used in anti-dandruff shampoos. It is still present in some medicated shampoos today, where it helps control certain scalp fungi. Selenium was one of the first materials used in solar cells to convert sunlight into electricity. While silicon has now taken over, selenium solar cells played a major role in the early development of photovoltaic technology. In glassmaking, selenium is used not only to give glass a ruby red color, but also to remove the greenish tint caused by iron impurities. In other words, selenium can act both as a colorant and a decolorizer. In metallurgy, small amounts of selenium are added to steel, copper, and lead alloys to improve their strength, machinability, and resistance to wear. It is also used in lead-acid batteries to enhance performance and durability. Well, that's all for today, and thanks for watching. If you like our video, please click the like and subscribe button below. We'll see you in the next video.